Now I am pushing this image in the Azure registry. So you need to go Azure portal, sign in, sign in successfully, and uh, container registry is the container registries is for Azure container. Click create, resource name, suppose uh, create new test resource, click OK, enter, tapos STUS pricing plan is standard is enough for us. Networking the private access only accepted when you are using the premium feature. Okay, so for our learning purpose, standard is enough. Encryption tag and review and create. Click the create button. So deployment is ongoing. Go to resource and inside the resource you first need to do click the access key and added the support for the admin user, otherwise this pull push is not working smoothly. So okay, so if I click to overview, it's showing my credential and others information. So now I am pushing the image in the Azure registry. So if I click the repository, no repository already present there. So inside there I click clear again. So now Docker images. So this is my image, and also one tag is present for the Docker Hub. Similarly, I am created Docker image tag, my .NET image, and tag name is. So I am going there overview, and this the login server, or if you give the access key, identity, not needed. I go to there and copy the login server name, paste this, and slash also need to provide a name. My practice Docker. So now if you click the Docker images, now you see my practice Docker registry also added there. Now I add Docker image push. The push refer to the repository. Similarly, the authentication is required. So Docker, if I Docker login Azure registry, if I click, okay, is it ACL login? I hyphen name. Okay, so I click this hyphen name. My registry name is only Taposh. Okay, so yeah, Taposh. So your container registry name. Login is getting sometimes login successfully. Now again, I push the image in the Azure registry. You see the image is uploading in the Azure container registry. If you want to learn properly Microsoft Azure DevOps, that time I also created a course in the Udemy, that is Azure DevOps complete solution using ASP.NET Core. I think DevOps complete solution using ASP.NET Core Udemy. I did course in Udemy. So if you interested to learn in the Azure DevOps CI/CD pipeline properly, I think this course is very helpful for everyone. And this course, 30 to 40% also I cover in my Udemy channel, sorry, YouTube channel. So learn with Taposh. This channel, you will get the Azure DevOps series also present, playlist also present there, so you can get this information. Okay, so now if we move to there, you see the image is uploading. So I am now again pause the video. So now you see your image is uploaded successfully. So if you go to the repository, you see your container is present there and the latest tag image also present there. I think hopefully you understand this portion, how to upload your image in the Azure container registry. And one thing you need to clear, otherwise it's not working. In the access key portal, please add the admin user support, otherwise the pull and push of on the container registry is not working smoothly. So hopefully this is the end of the series of this tutorial, and hopefully within 2 or 3 days later I also added the um, build and release pipeline for the Docker using Docker in ASP.NET Core. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.